In addition to tracking grape ripening, DYOSTEM Server also lets you group similar blocks, which helps you organize the harvest more efficiently. Let's see how to set up grouping rules. Users can create one or several rules to group their blocks. To get started, click on Set My Data, then go to Set My Rules. Click the plus button to create a new rule system. For example, let's say we want to create a system to classify Syrah blocks in a winery. First, we'll define the different block groups we want to separate. To make this step easier, we recommend sketching them out as a simple diagram. Here, for instance, is the list of groups defined by the winery. We can represent them in a diagram that's easier to translate into DYOSTEM Server's rule system. Next, we'll define the classification parameters. To do that, click on one of the tabs in the table, then select the parameters from the right-hand panel. In this case, there are 3 classification parameters: potential degree at sugar loading stop, and sugar loading stop date. To add a group, click the plus button. Give the group a name and set up its selection rules, then click Submit. Repeat this step for each group you need to create, then click Submit again to save the rule system. If a rule system already exists, you can edit or delete it from this same page. Now, let's go back to the My Vineyard page and select the blocks we want to apply the rules to. In this example, we're selecting all Syrah blocks as of August 30th, 2024. Next, go to the block classification section. Start by selecting the rule system you want to apply. Then, click on the Action button to prioritize the lots. Enabling exclusive lot selection allows the system to assign only one group per block, even if multiple options are available. In this case, we need to prioritize the lots so that DYOSTEM Server can favor one category over another. You can reorder the groups by dragging them up or down in the list. Once you click Submit, DYOSTEM Server will generate a distribution of the lots according to the rule conditions. You can then export the results as an Excel file, which can be used for harvest planning. By default, the Global Synthesis Export template is applied. But to make the file easier to use, we recommend creating a dedicated export template that only includes the information you need to organize the harvest. Another video explains how to create a custom export file template.